Hi! In front of me is XIAOMI Poco M4 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can connect it through Bluetooth. Firstly, go into Settings and choose Bluetooth. Now you need to click on the switcher next to Bluetooth feature to activate it and wait for available devices to show up. When they do, just tap on the one that you wish to connect to, in my case this Redmi. Select Pair in the pop-up over here and wait for the other device to accept your connection request. As you can see, my devices were successfully connected. You can always disconnect them if you want to by tapping on this little icon next to the device and choosing Compare. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!